Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro USD, and as you can see, I'm in my favorite 4 hours time frame. Okay, so let's do the analysis first. So if we just look at the chart, okay, I have zoomed out now, okay, and if we just look at the chart right now, okay, then we can easily see that overall the trend of the market is still towards the upside. Okay, market is still in an uptrend. Okay, market is still in an uptrend, and as we all know, we cannot consider this as a trend reversal, okay, until and unless we get an inverted V. Okay. So, or in a downtrend market, when we get a V formation like this, then only we can consider it as a trend reversal. Okay, so in the chart of Euro USD, until and unless we get an inverted V formation like this, we cannot consider this as a trend reversal, because see, right now market is following a downward channel. So we do not have the inverted V formation, therefore the uptrend is still intact. Overall, the trend of the market is still there in the okay, so this is the trend of the market. Okay, but as we all know, okay, and if I zoom in, okay, then you can easily see that right now market is following a downward channel. Okay, previously market was stuck in a range, okay, but right now market is following a downward channel. Okay, and this trend line is acting as support, and this trend line is acting as a resistance in your trading platform. Okay, just switch to the 4 hours chart, and you can also draw lines like this. So in the 4 hours chart, we have got few levels here. Okay, so this is the first level, which is acting as support for the market, and this trend line, okay, looks like a good support, because whenever market is coming down, it is getting support or taking support at this particular trend line. Okay, and on the other hand, we also have a resistance in the form of a trend line. As I've already mentioned, market is following a downward channel. Okay, so just draw a channel like this in your trading platform, because see, these are dynamic support and resistances. Therefore, I cannot give you the exact value from where it will reverse, okay, or from it will take support, because these are dynamic levels, these are not static. Okay, so we have the resistance and we have the support, okay, in the 4 hours chart. And you can also see that I have a black line here. Okay, this black line is the resistance, another resistance for the market. To explain this black line, I need to take you to the weekly chart. It is taking time, not loading up. So this is the weekly chart of Euro USD. Okay, let me remove the drawing so that you can see clearly. So I have already explained this stuff in my previous videos. Okay, if you're watching for the first time, then let me explain again. Okay, so this is the inverted hammer or a shooting star pattern market formed in the month of Feb, third week of Feb, and you can see that, okay, right now market is struggling to cross this particular price level or the resistance, or that particular price level is acting as a resistance for the market. And right now we can see that for 4 consecutive weeks, market is unable to cross the price level. Okay, and we can see that this week market has formed a small green candle with price rejection from above and below. Previous week market has formed a small red candle with price rejection from above. So considering the previous week's candle, there is a possibility that market will form a red candle this week. Okay, so and this price level, okay, this price level that market formed in the month of Feb is acting as a resistance, and that level we have in the form of this black line. Okay, so this black line is also very important for us, because this is the level market is trying to cross for the past 4 weeks. Okay, now let's switch to the 4 hours time frame and see what should be a strategy then. Okay, so considering the overall, okay, considering the overall aspects of the market, okay, so The first trading opportunity is this support level. Okay, so as we all know, okay, right now market is trading in a downward range or downward channel. So if market comes down and takes support at this particular trend line, and if market bounces, then you can go for a buy order. Secondly, if market goes up and hit this particular trend line, which is the resistance, then you can short the market. Okay, so these are the two trading possibilities for you right now. Okay, on the other hand, okay, if market crosses this trend line and goes up or crosses this level, okay, then also I'll tell you not to go ahead and buy. Okay, because the overall the trend is down now. The present scenario is not that good, so if possible try to avoid, okay, until and unless there is a big breakout with great volume. Okay, until and unless you do not get the support of volume, do not buy if market crosses this trend line, because it may be a trap also. Okay, traps are very dangerous. Okay, and traps are there in the market always. Okay, on the other hand, okay, we have this level also. Okay, if market goes up and reverses from this particular level, then we need to short the market when market will reverse from here. Okay, so this level is the third trading opportunity or possibility for us. But right now the current market price is far away from this particular price level 1.2233, so this level is not that important. But do remember, okay, though this pattern looks like a flag pattern, okay, though this pattern looks like a flag pattern, okay, but still be very careful if market crosses this level. Okay, because you need the confirmation, and confirmation will only be in the form of volume. Until and unless you do not get the support of volume, if market gives you a breakout scenario, then do not buy. Okay, do not buy, because see, previously also we have the fake out instances where market trap traders and your stop loss was hit, so be very careful. Okay, so these are the trading possibilities, okay, on the 4-hour chart. Let me take you to the 1-hour chart also. Okay, generally, I do not discuss much about the 1-hour chart, but today I would like to show you the 1-hour chart. Okay, this is the 1-hour chart of Euro USD. Okay, so right now you can see that there is not much volatility in the market. Yes, this is true that there is not much volatility. There is not much movement in the market, but market is kind of following a small channel here. Okay, market is following a small channel here, trend line here, okay, as a support. So in your trading platform, okay, just switch to the 1-hour chart, okay, and you can also draw a trend line like this. So this is a small opportunity for Euro USD. So just draw a trend line like this, and when the market, okay, when the market will hit this black line or this trend line, just observe the price and see how the price reacts. If you see that price is bouncing, or just like previous instances when market took support at the trend line, okay, if you see market taking support at this support level and bouncing off, you can also go for a buy order. But do remember, do not expect much profit, because the overall chart is not that good. There is not much volatility, but if you buy at this trend line, you can expect a profit of at least around 25 pips. Okay, so this is a small trading opportunity or quick profit opportunity that I just shared. Okay, so overall, okay, so overall the levels are still intact that I have just shared in my 4 hours time frame. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.